Myself Amarnath, studying in NIT Agartala, a student of computer science. And when I came here, before that I searched for a large number of training centers. Then actually the employee from here, where when I come to know myTectra, I talked with one of the employee and take all the contents what we are going to cover, and in how much duration we have to provide for covering all the syllabus. Then after having a great expectation, again we were actually anyhow I was to utilize my summer vacation, so I came here for Python, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Then our trainer was Ankit sir, and he was really good because although he covered all the topics mentioned in the syllabus, and we worked with a number of case studies so that we can implement whatever we learned. First we go through the Python basics, and before coming here I was knowing Java, C++, so it was really helpful to start again from Python. But there was nothing like that you have to know any language before coming here to start Python. So they start from very basics, and after I get start Python, I was really motivated to learn it. And machine learning, it was started after completion of Python, so we started working on theories as well as implementation of theory into case studies. So, and the good thing was that it's not like that while we are attending the class then only we can ask questions. Once we are having any questions, we can just give them send them any mail, and we'll get response as soon as possible. So every day we are learning something new. That was really important, and I think it was whatever I was expecting, I got up to that. And Ankit sir was really efficient, and he was providing every content related to machine learning, Python and artificial intelligence. So it was not like that he has to cover only mentioned topics in syllabus. Rather than that, if you are having any problems, you can send them mail, and they will reply you back. And if you are having any problems in new projects, he will definitely help it. And he is a good man also. And every person from here, if you are having any problem, you can just contact with any of the employee. You can contact and get your help. And other than that, you can come here for like I used to come here in this building to study, and I was having no problems. I was getting access of Wi-Fi, and I spent my 2 months very well because of these persons who just provided their. Thanks myTectra.